Well, good morning, students of class 10. Today I will teach you Unit 3 Values and Data Types in Java Programming. So, in this chapter, we will study about character sets in Java. So, uh, everything uh, Java programming contains in character. So, character sets are categorized into letters, digits, operators, and delimiters. So, letters, uppercase letter and lowercase letters. We have uppercase letter A to Z, lowercase letter A to Z. So, and digit we have 0 to 9. Operators we have plus, minus, and operators we have three types: arithmetical operators, logical operators, and relational operator. In arithmetical operator, plus, minus, multiplication symbol are given here, and logical operators like and, or, and not symbols are given. Relational operator which relate to things, and delimiters are like comma, okay, bracket, small bracket, medium bracket, and big brackets. These are the delimiters. Okay, now you understand this coding of characters. So all these characters, letters, digit, operators, codings, we write in Java programming in two forms. One is ASCII code and second is Unicode. So American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Why we write this code? Because computer does not understand English directly. It converts characters into binary form. That is why we have two encoding system. First is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this ASCII code has a total 256 characters, but only 128 characters we use, and 0 to 127. So here in this ASCII code, in Java programming, number 48 to 57 represents 0 to 9, and 65 to 90 represents capital A to Z, and 97 to 122 represents small letter A to Z, and 32 represent blanks. And Unicode, now Unicode is wide representation of character in numeric form. Okay, so we use here hexadecimal code, and we know that hexadecimal code starts from 0x. So this is hexadecimal form, and in total it can address 1,37,000 characters from 146 modern and historic scripts. Total Unicode is given here. It means a code of each character is available under Unicode character set. So ASCII code is popular nowadays to encode characters in computer understandable form. Okay, so next, escape sequence. What is escape sequence? So this is the way of breaking line at the time of execution. We can give space, we can break line in the output screen. So escape sequence are used to control the cursor while displaying the result value on the screen. The first is slash T. Slash T gives horizontal tab, slash V vertical tab, double backslash, not slash, backslash comma apostrophe, single quote, backslash double quote. So like this, at last backslash n for the new line feed. We can break the line using slash n. Using escape sequence. So in Java programming, you know very well the use of escape sequence is very essential, because using escape sequence we can give here, we can break long statement in the small portions, like name Akash Mittal slash n, and see this Akash Mittal is enclosed with double quote and plus age 60 years slash n. Then again it will come in the next line plus class 10, it will come in the next line. Well, students, use of backslash n I am demonstrating you using program. So this is the program, public class, and class name I have given escape. So public static void main string args system dot out dot println. Don't forget to write as in capital letter, and here double quote name Akash Mittal backslash n double quote, and plus is a separator, again double quote age 16 years backslash n double quote plus separator double quote class 10. So I am showing you how backslash n will break the line. Okay, see, Akash Mittal, then age has come in the second line and class 10 the next line. So this is the use of backslash n. So we can write many print instead of many print statement, we can write one single print statement, and we can separate different portion by backslash n. And one more example I am showing you of backslash t. It puts one tab space. In this program, you see I have taken two variables, integer type variable, a equal to 23 and b equal to 45. So in this program, first number is a string, so this is a message, and plus is a separator, and backslash t and plus a, then value will come. So see the same as second number b. So how this come, I am showing you output of this program, and this statement is also written in the book. You see, right click and void main string args, and click on OK. Then you see this is a previous one, this is previous one, and this is the next program's output. First number, and 8 space is given, one tab space. Actually backslash t gives 8 space. Then 23 is the value of a, and one tab space second number, then number is 45. So this is the use of escape sequence. Okay.